What a jump here on the SPY in the overall markets from Friday to today, and our SPY bot presented opportunities in both directions. And in today's volatility, the home run of the day was from our SPY bot at the open on that quick pullback, and that bear indicator popped up and was sent out directly to our Discord at 9:35 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness down 42 vision, and put options went up over 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description to get connected over to our Discord, our 42 vision indicators, and join the members using 42 vision to receive that clarity and edge within the volatility of markets and these charts, to see the strength of trend and the strengths of supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow indicator. Once again, that link is down below in the description and top pin comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So the SPY had a huge jump, right? We were under a bear indicator here at the 565, 566 level, and it needed to get canceled to justify the move back up, because we were watching how the 30-minute was under a bear indicator, but then we had the 1 hour here with a bull indicator holding up since 560. So this pullback here is not even justified until we would see a bear indicator, because the larger time frames were showing the strength of bull indicators here at 560 on multiple time frames. This is the 2 hour as well, and that pullback needed to go ahead and get justified with a bear indicator. Yes, in the volatility of the 15-minute, the 5-minute, 30-minute, there were bear indicators, but that quickly got canceled, and the strength of the larger time frames was holding up. And this is really where 42 vision gives us that edge and strength over the charts, because we can really see what's going on, and also the strength of trend with our bull and bear indicators and the multiple confirmations, as well as those inflow versus outflow levels as levels to go ahead and be respected, and see if we could retest it, which we're going to pull up the inflow versus outflow in just a moment and you'll see. But once again, that link is down below in the description and top pin comment to get connected and join the members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down within the volatility of charts and individual stocks in the market. So bull indicator here in the pre-market, and then we had a bear indicator, and yes, it pulled all the way down to 577, but that quickly got canceled with another bull indicator here on the 15-minute at the 580 level. And then we also have the strength here of the 30-minute showing a bull indicator since the pre-market that never got canceled. This pullback here, no bear indicator within the volatility. Once it found support and there was multiple confirmations on the lower time frames, that strength was justified to pull up and retest the high of the pre-market of 582. And right now we're sitting slightly above it and trying to head towards 600, right? That's the big question mark. Could we get to the 590s and then 600? We're going to break that down here in today's video. So here we are with the SPY showing our inflow versus outflow levels. This was a historical outflow that needed to get broken through, and 570 was critical to then push up towards the 580 area, and you could see the next historical outflow level, and we retested it, guys. This is where 42 vision gives us that edge to see the strengths of supports and resistance. We had a huge inflow here, followed by a bull indicator in today's pre-market, breakout above 570, and is it guaranteed to always hit the next resistance? No. Or outflow level? No. But at least we used it as a point of reference, and that's exactly what happened here. It went all the way up towards it, rejected off of it, and once it found support and those inflows picked up again, as you see here, the next level to watch was 582. From down here at 578, there was a point of reference, and you could see how it would slow down here, and now it's fighting here at 583. What's the next point of reference? Well, up here at 585. I would just round that up. It's 584.92 to be exact, but I would just round that up to 585. That's definitely a level to watch going into tomorrow, and this is the edge and clarity that 42 vision brings us within the volatility. We could also see it here on the 5-minute, how these inflows dominated. It broke through that resistance level from the previous outflows, and then today, once those inflows came in, followed by that bull indicator, double confirmation, a push up from 579 to 582 happened. And we can also see here when we zoom out even further to the 15-minute, that inflow outflow level getting broken down, and then here we are strong again. Now when you go all the way towards the 2 hour, again, that level was a crucial level, 570, and then we also had another outflow level above that area where we rejected at 575 and fell all the way down to the 480s, and now we're up here. We broke out from that outflow level with the inflows that came in here between 556 and 567, and then the next level to reject that we needed to watch was 575, and it broke through it, and now we're trying to head up towards the top here of 585. So the larger time frames are showing us 585 is the next level to not ignore. Now when we go all the way towards the 4 hour, we're up here pushing up. We broke through the resistance of 575. It was a key level to watch. And now that we're above it and inflows are compounding here, we have another level up here. And that's all the way back up towards the recent all-time highs above 600. And that is 610. Is it guaranteed to go up there? No. But that's the level that we have here in the bigger time frames, such as the 4 hour. And then also the 1 day here. We broke out above 575. And then you have that level up there as well of $610. So that's how this works out, and that's where 42 Vision gives us that edge on these supports and resistance. And it's going to be crucial here to hold up and stay above 581, 578, and then above that is the next levels to watch, which is 585, and then all the way up towards the 590 level. Those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and the inflow versus outflows, I would not ignore them. They are looking pretty clear here. Inflow driven day here, and tomorrow it's going to be crucial for these inflow levels to hold as support. If not, then we're watching to the upside, the resistance based off the history of the chart. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.